At Deckel Maho Pfronten, we have successfully implemented the software solution WERKBLiQ. Our team specializes in the development and production of 5-axle milling machines and machining centers. WERKBLiQ manages the entire maintenance process as a central application that is flexibly adapted to our processes and not vice versa.
Our mechanical production department at Deckel Maho Pfronten creates over 25,000 production parts every year, and we use WERKBLiQ as our maintenance solution. Thanks to its outstanding flexibility, it can be used on tablets, smartphones, and the machine control unit itself, or central control station. In my managerial role, I'm a big fan of using diagrams. When it comes to maintaining an overview of all recorded parameters, machine statuses, and downtimes, WERKBLiQ makes it possible to access the relevant analyses anytime and anywhere.